we'll see further.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so I will share my screen, and then today we'll discuss about. So yesterday we have discussed about the data structures, right? So vectors, matrices, data frames, list, arrays. So now little we'll go with how the data will be import and how to export the data from our programming language, and how we will export our outputs to our Word file or anything like that. So the basic some import and export and some additional if else conditions will work on today. Okay, so I will share my screen. I hope my screen is visible to everyone.
Yes, sir.
Am I
Yes,
right?
sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, yeah, fine. So this is the course yesterday we worked on this one. Okay, so initially we did some normal type of how to define data yesterday, and from data structures how we can extract the information or how we can extract the particular value using some index values. Okay, so yesterday we discussed about this, right? So now I will go with the day 2. So I will take a new sheet. So I can click here plus symbol, so that I can choose a new R file. So R script. Yeah, so this is day 2 I'm working on. So I will write all the codes here. Okay, so first we'll see. Yesterday actually I have explained what about the data sets also. See here below I have given the codes here. Data sets, how data sets has to insert export. But actually yesterday I lost the connections, but I didn't observe that whether I lost connections or not. Simply I explained, but later I came to know that you are all I'm offline. Okay, and so today I will discuss about this one. First of all, let me give some. Yeah. So my screen is visible, right? R Studio.
Yes, sir. It is visible, sir. Audio also okay,
Yeah,
sir.
fine.
Light bit
Yeah.
slight
So
voice break is coming, sir.
yeah. Actually, I changed my connections also, sir. We'll
Yeah.
see
Okay.
today. If
Okay.
any
Now
break
okay,
is
sir.
comes, no, let me know. I will do again. Yeah,
Okay, sir.
fine.
Now okay, sir.
So today, so I will show you what are the yeah, what are the data sets are available in our R programming language, and if we have your own data sets, how we can load that own data sets into our programming language. And once we do the data analysis or any small part of analysis, and if you got some output, how to export that output to our normal files or Word files, all these things I will show you. Okay. First of all, let me discuss about so what are the data sets are available in our programming language and how to visualize the data? From where we can extract the data or how to use the data set, I will show you. So to see what are the built-in data sets are available in our R programming language, so use a simple code data. So data and use the parentheses. It is a function, and don't mention any name here. See, by drop down suggestions I got. So air passengers, digital, these are the data set names. So you can select anyone and you can accept. So before that, selecting any particular data set, so we'll see how many data sets are available or what are the different types of data sets are available in our programming language. So here data parentheses. Just don't mention any name here. Just keep empty parentheses and run it. Okay. So I'm running this one. Yeah. See, once I click this data parenthesis, this command, so automatically the new tab has been created. The new tab is called data sets. Here you can see this are data sets. The code is executed here, but the corresponding output is not showing in our console. Why? Because this is have a list of data sets. So the list will be shown in the new sheet. So if I click this new sheet, then I will get what are the data sets are available. See this one, data sets in package. So data sets, it's a data set is a package name. So under this package, these are the data sets are available. So you can see here air passengers. What is this air passengers? Monthly airline passenger numbers in the year of 1949 to 1960. BJ sales, sales data with leading indicator, bjsales.lead, BOT, CO2, chick weight, NDNANS, stock markets, formaldehyde. So like this, there are many data sets are available in our programming language. You can scroll down, so you can see all the data sets. So data set and the corresponding what is the information or what is the description about the data. So you can select any one data set and you can work on for your analysis if you want to learn the coding. Okay. Okay. For example, let us take. I will take any one data set. Let us, for example, some interesting data sets will take. Generally, if you go for any websites to learn about our programming language, or if you download any type of, or if you search in Google, generally, basically, many people's or many internet websites, they will show the data analysis with some specific data sets only. Let me this one you can see here. Iris. Iris data is one of the best and suitable data set to work for many techniques. So that's why many people or many websites they will suggest and they will work and they will give some examples based on this data set. Iris, and somewhere we can see this empty course one data set is there. I will show you here empty course. Course. Our data sets only built in. They will select from here and they will this one also Titanic. So Iris, Titanic, and sometimes tooth growth, and then I will show you one empty course data set. That is the empty course. Mhm. Cars data set we have. Here you can see it's empty cars data set. Motor trend car road test. So mainly, many websites will use examples with these data sets: empty curves, iris, Titanic, tooth growth, like this. Why? Because these data sets are perfectly suitable to many suits to many statistical techniques. That's why they will select only these data sets and they will show you, or they will give some examples, the coding part examples, all this they will show you, and corresponding outputs also they will show you easily. If you want to learn other than these data sets, select any data sets. Because of these data sets, you will get easy examples. My suggestion is that go with any other data sets and select these data sets, anyone, and then work your for data analysis, and you will face a lot of problems. Okay, so solve the problems easily. You will learn how to do the data analysis. You will be the master in the data analysis. Okay, no need to work. So don't go the as it is what I'm giving and what the internet websites are showing to us to go to the examples. So don't follow the same examples, follow your own examples. If you have own data, that is far better than this built-in data sets. Now, for example, let us take, I will take any one data set from here. Let us take this one, air quality data set. Okay, what is air quality here? New York air quality measurements. And I don't know what are the variables are available inside and how the measurements has been taken, on what basis measurements. So that's all I don't know. Let's simply, I will go with air quality. So the data set name is air quality. Just copy this name, Control C, and then in this here data parenthesis array, just paste here air quality. Now I want to use this data set. Okay, just air quality I have taken. Now run this one. So here you can see down. If I run this one, so what are the data set and observations are available inside the data set? All it is displaying. Going above, yeah. Here you can see this one. See air quality, ozone, solar.org, wind, temperature, month, day. So they have collected data on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 variables. So each variable is having around 153 observations. Okay. So this is a data set, but we don't know what is the actual meaning of these variables. See, ozone, how they calculate, what is mean by 41, what is mean by 36, what is mean by 12, we don't know. Solar.org, we don't have information. Wind, how wind speed, I think maybe, but on what measurements they have taken, we don't know. Temperature, whether it is a foreign heats or a degrees centigrades, we don't know. And the month, what is mean by 5, maybe 5th month or 6th month, we don't have any information. For example, I have a data set, sir. You have given a list of data sets which are available in our programming language. Next, how to know the description about the data and what are the variables are there, how the variables are measured, where they have taken this data set. Any example suitable techniques are available for the data sets. If you ask these many questions, a single answer is that we can take the help of our programming language. If you ask this bunch of questions, all answers is single one. Take the help of our studio or our programming language. So if you want to take the help of our programming language, instead I say right, just take just a single question mark before of any command. Question mark. You can keep just a single question mark or double question marks. It will direct you to help function. Okay. Now see air quality. I want to know the description about the air quality. Just I kept question mark here. Now I'm running this entire code. If I run here, right side you can see this in the window. So under this dataset package, this is the dataset is available. That is air quality. So now see here, dataset name New York air quality measurements. This was shown in this dataset file. And description: daily air quality measurements in New York, May to September in the year of 1973. So they have collected daily air quality measurements. Now we can see this. What are the measurements are available inside? Next, usage. Usage is how we will use this data set in our programming language with what name. So name is air quality. Okay. Next, format. Format is nothing but data description. I mean data dimension, how the variables are there, how the variables are measured. Now see, it is a data frame which is having 153 observations on 6 variables. Earlier I have counted, right, 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. So no need to count. If you go for help function, automatically you will get what is the full format about the data. Now see, 153 observations are there, each on 6 variables. So which means every variable is having 153 observations. Now see the first variable. So this, you know, right, yesterday I explained about this one. Square brackets and comma. So dividing the square brackets into two, that is rows and columns. So before rows and after the column. What is the meaning of this one? So first column, all the rows. First column, all the rows is having ozone variable. So type is numeric. It is a data type numeric, and the name is ozone. They measure in ppb. So maybe there are some scales, right, to measure the ozone. They have taken ppb. I don't have full meaning of this ppb. And second variable is solar.r. It is also numeric. Solar, so some land measurements. And wind, so numeric. Wind, this we know, mph, right, miles per hour. Okay, what is the speed of the wind? Next, temperature. So it is also numeric. Temperature, it is measuring foreign heats, degree. Okay, next, month. Yeah, this you can see month. They measured 1 to 12, which means that January is first month, February is second month. Like the 12 months, they have given numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. 12. So they converted non-numeric into numeric. That is January is 1, February is 2, like that. Next day is a day 1 to 31. Just normal days we have given. And you can see the details also. Daily readings of the following air quality values for May 1st, 1973, a Tuesday to September. Next, what is this? Ozone, mean ozone parts per billion. Like that. They have full description. If you want, you can read and easily can understand about your data. And source, from where they have collected this data. Okay, what is the references? If any authors have been using this air quality for their analysis, from these articles or from these textbooks, you can find that what they have, what type of techniques or what they have performed using this air quality data set. And these are the examples. So using this data set, they have performed some function, that is pairs within the bracket air quality. So this is nothing but pairs is a function which will be useful to represent the data, to visualize the data more than 2 dimensions, sorry, more than 3 dimensions. Generally, if you have 1 dimension, we draw some graphs. If you have 2 dimensions, we'll draw some more graphs. If we have more than 2 dimensions, generally we'll go for 3D diagrams. Even if you want to visualize more than 3 diagrams, you are there, right? If you want to see more than 3 diagrams, generally we'll go for matrix scatter diagram. Matrix scatter is the pairwise we will visualize the data. So that matrix scatter diagrams we can visualize using pairs function. Okay, I will tell you how the graphs will be, how to draw graphs in our programming language. Okay, so as of now we will go with this. So like this, you will get a full description about your data sets. So you don't want to bother about data sets. Okay, even if you have own data, you can load. Okay, so for example, this is the data set I have taken, air quality. Okay, now see here what I perform. I execute this one. Now the data is showing all the observations, all the rows and all the columns. Generally we will see, right, uh, generally we'll see, right, sir, for example, I have data. The data is having large number of columns, large number of rows. So displaying all the rows and scroll down is very difficult. For example, I want to see a specific number of rows in the top or below, like that. I want to see a specific number of rows only, then we can visualize. So we can use the code is head function, head and tail. So head function, which is useful to, so you can see in the data, the first six records, head of the data. Tail, we can see the last 6 records of the data. Okay, for example, let us take head of air quality. So if I run this one, okay, see here. See, if I run this one, head air quality, so now we can see the first 6 records of your data. Now itself easily we can understand. No need to go for all the observations in the data. So we can see the what is the first 6 records and what is the data set, what is the variable names, ozone, solar, wind, temperature, month, and day. So easily we can see. And in the data set, see there are some null values are there. NA. So this is called missing values. So we can go for do the answer. Next, tail also we can use. Tail. Tail is a function. So the same air quality. Yeah. So run this. See, this is the last 6 records of your data. So 148, 149, 150, 151, 152, and 153. Last 6 records. So this you can modify also. Sir, I don't want to see the 6 records. For example, I want to see first 10 records. Then okay, no issues. So head function by default it will show 6 records. Tail also. If you want to see a specific more, it has been visualized here. Like this, if you want a specific number of rows or specific number of records, if you want to see, then you can mention the corresponding number here. For example, let us say tail. I want to see last record. What is the data? Last record is 150, right? Let us say some number I will mention. Last 3 records. Let us say some last 3. Air quality 3. See, this is the last 3 records of my data. 151, 152, 153. So using this head and tail functions, we can visualize. By default, it will show 6 records. Otherwise, if you want a specific number of records, if you want to watch, then go for the number. Okay, after the comma, you can give that value. So which record you want to, how many records you want to visualize. So this is the help of head and tail functions. And one more thing I will let you know here itself. For example, let us say from this data set. So here I have seen 6 variables, right? Let us say I want to take only temperature data, temperature variable only specifically I have to take. So if you want to take a specific temperature data, then from this air quality you can extract. That is air quality. Here I'm not here. I will write. Let us say here I will give some understanding purpose. This is the head of the data. Head of the data with first 10 records. Just for your people, I'm writing this one. If any people are missing, so they can see this code and they can understand easily. So last 3 records. So data, we can see this is data set name. Yesterday, some people requested this one to mention a proper commenting. That's why I'm mentioning here. Okay, this is called C data sets, C built-in data sets. Yeah, fine. That's it. Then you mention, like, can mention like this. So what is the data set name? Air quality. So mention that air quality. And after air quality, this data set name, keep dollar. Once you keep dollar, the drop down option will, the suggest option will show you how many variables are available and which variable you want to call. See here, air quality. So if I once the air quality, if I type and then keeping dollar, then we can see here ozone, solar, wind, temperature, month, day. These are the variables available in this air quality data set. Now we can take anyone. Let us say I'm calling temperature. Just I'm giving temperature, which means that so call this temperature variable through the air quality data set. Now if I run this one, see here. These are the 153 observations of air quality temperature. I'm pressing Control Enter directly. So I will keep my cursor in the line. Then directly I'm pressing Control Enter. No need to go always go with the run option. Okay, directly you can run this one by pressing Control Enter. That is a shortcut key. Okay. See here, air quality. These are the 153 observations are available, in this temperature variables. Here you can see this. This is the index one. So these are the 21 observations are there. In the coming to the next row, this is the 22nd observation. Next, like this, if you keep on, if you go, and here 42 observation. And if I go down, this is 64th observation. This is 158, 148, then 149, 150, 51, 52, 153. So like this, you have to take the in. Now we can store this in any object. Let us take temperature. Temperature. Let us say I have taken temperature. Now if I run this one, yes. Now in the temperature, it's a new object I have created. In this object, I have stored all the temperature values. So this is the way we can take a particular variable and we can store any new variables. No issues. Okay. Here one thing I want to convey people. See here. For example, air quality temperature is right. Let us take like this. I will paste here. Now, if I run this one, what is the meaning? Temperature variable is available in the air quality, and I'm displaying that what are the values in there. See, every time, sir, is any requirement that we have to call every time at air quality dollar temperature. Let us say next time air quality dollar. And if this time I want to exact wind, I want to do every time I have to mention data set name is there is a one more alternative option for this. No need to mention every time data set name. When we attach the data set to our console, see, I will write one command here. Generally, our programming language knows what are the data sets are available and what is the name of the data sets, but it will not. It doesn't know how many variables are there. What is the variable inside that? On all, our console will not load. This R Studio will have only data set, what is the data sets are available and what is the name of the data sets. If you type the name of the data set, it will say, but inside the variables directly accessing. For example, let us say what is it? This is temperature, right? See here, for example, here I will write temp. If I run this one, it will show object temp is not found. It doesn't load it. Only data set is loaded, but inside these factors, deeper insights, it will not load. We have to load that also into our console. To load the data set, attach. Attach is a command which will be useful to attach our data sets to the R console. Once we attach these data sets to the R console, then directly we can access the variables without calling the data set name. See, for example, now see here I have entered the temp, TEM, showing error. Now, see, now
Yeah, Shiva sir. Yeah, you're
am I audible?
sir.
No issues, right?
Yeah, presentation is closed. It is visible now.
No issues, right? Voice is audible only, right?
Yeah, no issues.
Yeah, fine. See here. Now, I'm saying that. So, every time calling variables, no need to call variables with through the data sets. Always no need to mention like this. So once we go with attach command, So automatically the R programming language will come to know what are the variables are available in the attached data set. But there is a one limitation of this data set, this attached command. What is the limitation? Is nothing but, for example, you have two data sets. Let us say data set 1 and data set 2. Now these two data sets are having some common variables. Let us say I will take college A, college B data set. Now college A data set is having student name, student marks, like that they have some variables, and college B is also having student name. Now in both the data sets, common variable name is there, that is student name, student name. Now if I attach these two data sets to our console, let us say attach college A, attach college B. Now these both the data sets are having same variables, same variable names, for example. Now in such a situation, for example, if we access student name, if we type just like this temperature, like that, if you enter student name directly, then R will get confused. Which data set student name I have to access, because of both data sets you have attached, both data sets are having common name, then there is a problem. So it will mislead, and then it takes which one is nearer or which one is the data set has been used in the previous code, the corresponding data set student name will display. That's it's not correct. Okay, so be careful while attaching the data sets. If you are working with more than one data set parallel, if you're working, and be careful with the variable names. If the variable names are common, don't go for attach. If the variables names are different, and then you can attach the data sets and we can work parallelly, no issues. But just keep in one warning point like this: whenever we are going for attach, so be careful with variables. Variables should not contain same variable name, should not contain with the different data sets. That's one thing we have to remember. Other than that, this attach command is very good. So easily we can access the variables without doing any type of without writing data set names every time. Okay, no sir, we are comfortable with writing every time variable data set name, and then we can extract the variables. Okay, this is perfect, 100%, no need to worry about it. But if you're writing lines of code, no, then you will get some irritation. Every time I have to do this one, is there any way to call the variables directly? Okay, that's why I'm teaching this one. Yeah, fine. Now, for example, let us say this is okay. So I now we know how what are the data sets are available in our programming language, and how to load that R programming language in our console, and how to attach and how to access the variables. These things, basic things we know. Now coming to the real data sets. Let us take. I will give some commenting here. Real data sets. Real data sets. Now, how to load real data sets into R console? For example, let us take. I will show you any one data set in my file in my desktop. I'm opening. For example, I will show you any one data set which is available. Mm, for example, let us take simple data sets will load. Mm, let us take running work data sets. This is my PhD days, so I'm working. Let us take let us say this one, DHCSV. This is one data set I used for my research. Disk hernia. The data set is actually related to backbone pain. Well, if the disk is not that much good or have any disk problems, so they have taken some measurements, pelvic incident, pelvic tight. This you can see this pelvic incident, PI, pelvic tight, a lumbar louder access, like this. They have simply this data set will take and will load how to load the data set. We'll see that. See here, this data set is CSV file, comma
Sir, your voice is not audible, sir.
subheader file. This
It is breakup. Yeah, it is breakup.
also this I don't want. Audible, sir?
Yeah, it is audible, sir. Now, okay.
Yeah. See, I'm loading a real data sets. So I have given one objective disk here. It's my I know data set name. That's why I'm taking DH and data. And simply I have created one object. Now in this object, I can store. I want to store my data set. For example, first we'll go with CSV file. Then we'll go for Excel file. So CSV file. So how to load is nothing but just a single line code. That is read dot. So which file you are going to read? I'm going to read CSV file. Okay, see, these are the options are available. Read CSV2, read DCF, delimiter files, delimiter2, okay, Fortran, F tables, socket data. So these are the extensions, right? Dataset extensions. Among that, I will go with simply two files. One is CSV, another one is Excel. So first you click on this CSV. Okay, read.csv is a command to read CSV files into our console from the computer, okay, from our laptop. Okay, now, so read.csv. So here, give us some small command that file.choose, file.choose. Many people will give suggestion that paste your file path and you will access the data set directly. Don't go that one, but because pasting path, and again we need to do some modifications in the path. Okay, right, file path. Okay, that's C colon slash desktop slash documents where you store. Every file will have some path, right? So we want to copy that path. So don't copy because path sometimes will give wrong. I mean, it will not access properly. You have to change that code also. That also I will show you. So my suggestion is that no need, instead of writing this path, go for the selection. Like if you want to select any particular file, will open, right? Like that, one new window will open with this option. That's I'm going to convey you people. Okay, file dot choose. Again, just click that one suggestion. Just I click this one. I got this one. See, read dot csv within the parenthesis file dot choose. Again, close the parenthesis. Now, if I run this one, see, so there is executed, and here you can see this. It is stop. Which means that we did not get the prompt here to do next operation. Why? Because this operation is still continuing. You can see this here, stop option. If you click this one, then only this command will be stopped and it will show next prompt. If you don't have, see here, I don't have prompt. But if you don't have prompts, we should not work. Why? Because this function is continuously still working. So we have to see this, but its code is executed here, but not showing any error, but still code is running. What is this meaning? Which means that, see, in the below, in the taskbar, you will see that new option is enabled. The new window has been created. That is choosing option. Click.
Not audible, sir.
Yeah, sir. Presentation is not visible and audio is not also. Dear participants, please wait. I think sir has again joined.
Yeah, sorry for that. Actually, I lost my internet connections. I had changed my internet connections. Due to that, I lost. Yeah, I'm sharing again my screen. Yeah, I hope my screen is visible to you all now. Yeah, yeah. Sir, explain, right? Yeah, fine. We have loaded this data set, right, from the choosing option. Okay. Again, I will do for you people. So read.csv file.choose. I'm clicking this one. Run it. So one. So in the CSS are available. Okay, just head of this data. Yes. Now this is the 6 records of my data has been shown here. Now, what is the use of this dim? Dim is nothing but dimension. Okay. Using this function, we can see how many rows and how many columns are there in my data completely. Okay, now I'm running this one. So here you can see this dimension within the brackets, DH data set. Now 310 rows are there on 7 variables. This represents the rows and this represents columns. Again, we know how to exactly first column, second column, third column, like that. What are the columns if you want to load, or if you want to take separate variables, separate all variables, separate individual variables. If you want to take, you can take all of the things we know. Okay, this one thing. Otherwise, I will show you one more file. This is a reading CSV file. So reading CSV file. Now I will read Excel. Okay, let us check reading Excel file. Excel file. If you want to read Excel file, then we need a package. Okay, the package is also very simple. Read Excel. The name is Read Excel. The package name itself simple Read Excel. That package we have to load in our console. Okay. How to load the packages? I will show you this. Yesterday I said, right, based on the situations, I will go teach all the things. Okay, instead of going one by one, so according to the situation, we'll utilize the functions. Now see, for installation, there are two options are there. One is we can type the commands. Otherwise, we can go for options. Many people will interested with the choosing options, right? Why? Because maybe sometimes commands we will write spelling mistakes or typo mistakes, something. Otherwise, sometimes we cannot remember the codes also. So to overcome these problems or to address this one, so there is a one more option that we can choose. So we can choose the package which one you want. I will show you this both. Here we can go first one. See, this is a package. So here you can see the one window. We can see that one option that is package. In the menu, we can see the package. Just click this one. Now see here, once I click this one, so these are the packages already installed in our R console. See, firmware, fast map, uh, forecast. Like there are many packages are installed. Now, what is the package required for us? We want one read Excel package. So you can click this option, install. Okay. Once I click this one, I got this window. Now in this window, you can mention your package. Just will mention one or two letters, starting letters of your package. Automatically, you will get the list of packages which are available with the starting that letter. Okay, we don't want to remember completely. Also, I want to take a read Excel. No? A read. So with the read option, there are many packages are available. So I will go with Excel. See, read Excel. Not full form of Excel, just XL spelling. Okay, read Excel. This package is required to load your Excel files into your R programming language. So I will click this one. Yeah. Once I click this one, it is loading. See here, the code is running. Still is showing. Yes. The download in this library, the package has been loaded, and we got the new prompt. Yes. So previous to this one, we'll go here. Now see. Once I install and give the package name, the code is automatically executed. What is the code? Install the packages within the square double quotation. This either you can choose here, otherwise you can run here, install that package.
Sir, excuse me, Shiva sir. Network issue is there, sir.
Anything you can find. So if
No,
you
sir.
if you click this
Your
option,
voice is
same
not
this code will
clear,
execute.
sir.
Instead of clicking this one, you can write
Shiva
this
sir.
code instead. Fine. Anything else already?
Yeah, your voice is not clear, sir.
Hello.
Your voice is little bit break up, sir. I think network issue.
Yeah. Sir, actually, you make me the host for this one. Please remove that one, sir. Just make me a participant.
Oh, okay, I will do it, sir.
Because I'm keep on getting continuous notifications. Someone is joining like that.
Yeah. Got it, got it. I
Maybe,
have removed you, sir.
yeah,
Just participant.
yeah.
Okay.
Now see, sir, this one, read underscore Excel. Okay. So library, I have installed this package Excel. Read Excel package. Now this package is having the command is read Excel. Okay. If you without installing package, if you access read Excel, it will not work. It will show error. Okay. So now read underscore Excel. Here read CSV for reading CSV, but Excel file we need underscore here. Okay. Read underscore same file dot choose. I want to choose. Okay. Now I will run this one. Yes, the code is executed. Now it is displayed in new window, and here I will select a Excel file. Okay, let us take this data set Excel file. I'm storing. Yes, it's loading. You can see the stop window. It's still loading continuously. We'll see. Yes. Row names. This is some warning they have given. No issues. Just I have loaded my data without having any error. Now I will see what are the variables that are available. Let us say I will go with the head of DHEX.
Please keep mute.
Yeah, it's loading. Head of DHEX. Yeah, here you can see this. My data is having variables status and pelvic incidence, pelvic type, lumbar radius angle, like that. So this is actually why we are getting this type of spaces, and this time is nothing but this is actually a raw data. I have a data and I did some without having any modifications because data will have some empty rows. Sometimes we have created columns, but we have erased that one. So there are some new raw data. It doesn't have a proper meaning. Way of arranging. Whenever we have that empty spaces or empty columns or empty rows, these type of some noise
Shiva
will
sir, please wait, sir. Please rejoin, sir. Shiva sir. Hello, excuse me,
create.
Shiva sir.
See, character double. This is actually data type. Character type of noise.
Yeah, please wait. I will inform. Sorry. Yeah, sir has came. Yeah. Yeah, Shiva sir. You have kept mute.
It was good, sir. I don't know why this is happening from yesterday onwards. Internet connections. Uh, Visible, sir.
Yeah, visible, sir. Yeah, visible.
Fine.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Leading CSV, and directly we can access that. We can load the CSV
Yeah,
file.
Shiva sir. Sorry. Sir, it is very difficult to understand for them, sir.
So easily we can
Voice
read.
fully break,
So
sir. Voice fully break.
and see this. What is the
Yeah, voice is not fully clear, sir.
for a small meeting? It is not getting me. So what is the meaning of this internet connections? Audible, sir, now?
Yeah, now audible, sir. Okay.
I don't know what is the issue is going here, sir. We are getting it properly, but for this connection is also strong. Is voice clear, sir, now? Sir, is my voice clear now?
Yeah, it is clear now, sir. Now, for up to now, okay.
Yeah. See here, my suggestion is that go with this reading of CSV file instead of Excel file. Okay, why? Because we have to load the package for reading the Excel file. And one more thing is that in Excel file, for example, if you have five variables on 10 records, if you create any sixth variable and you have, for example, you did some you have written some observations, you have entered, and you have deleted that one. But if you are not completely deleted the entire column, or if you have any given empty, you have entered the data, but you have deleted, you have erased that. Instead of deleting complete column, just erase it. And if you load the Excel file into R console, no, that you have erased some observations, right? That will be here. It will record as null values. It will give a blank space. If you have any blank space there, it in the Excel file will show some null type, say NA not applicable or null type of some values will show here, or some the blank space will give a problem in Excel while reading the Excel file. That's why. So you can convert your Excel file into CSV. That is very easy, right? So while saving your file, extension you can change. Extension will be XLSX, right? So that extension you can change CSV. That extension just you change, then your file will be converted to CSV. Now CSV file easily you can load. CSV files, if you have any empty spaces or empty columns you have created and you have erased, that will not consider. it will take as original data what the values we have. It doesn't worry about that empty spaces or the erased data. Okay, that is one advantage with the CSV file reading. That's why my suggestion is that go with the reading of CSV file instead of Excel file. No, sir, we are comfortable and we will not do any, we will not disturb any empty cells. We will go as it is without having any problem. Is you can go and you can no issues, you can work. But one thing you have to remember that, so whenever we are going to for installation of any package, we need internet connections. Without internet connections, the packages will not install. That you have to remember. Okay, fine. Yes, sir. You have created. You have loaded the data. Import the data from our computers to our console. Now, how to export this data? Same comments. Just go with write. Here, read write. Just go with write. Write. See this one. Write.csv. Yes, click this write.csv. What you want to export? For example, let us say empty cars data set we will export. Okay. Now we have empty cars now. So just empty cars. Write.csv. So this empty cars dataset, let us say for example air quality dataset we have, air quality. Now this dataset I want to export to my R console. I want to download. So instead I'm going for a download option from the internet is available. In the internet these datasets are available. If you want to export this dataset from R console, just do the write.csv dataset name and then what is the name of this dataset you want to store in your data. Otherwise you can give file path where you want to store. Okay, basically before going to this one, I will show you what is the directory where I am working on directory. Okay, working directory I will show you. Set WD. What is this set WD is nothing but set working directory. So where you want to store your files. For example, let us take within the parentheses. For example, I will show you like this. I will go for any D drive. In this D drive, let us take, I'm teaching FDP, no? FDP. And here I want to store my file. For example, let us say CSR Kadapa College. So this, let us CSR programming language. Now I will take a right click and then go for properties and I can see the what is the path D/FDP. Copy this one. Okay. Now, and again, I'm going back to my R console. Now here I will give, here I will give slash paste. See, set WD. So this is my working directory I'm going to give. So in the D drive, this forward backslash, right? FDP. Change this backslash to forward slash. This is the original code. Okay, we have to change the file path with the from backslash to forward slash. Okay, earlier it was this one file path. Oh, sorry, this is the file path. Change this backslash to forward slash. Now run this one. Unexpected symbol. Okay, we'll give double quotation. Yeah, within the double quotation we have to mention. Yeah, fine. See, this is set working directory, set WD. So this is file path I have given. Now, if you export any data, the data or codes, everything will be stored in this path, working directory. Okay. Now, write.csv air quality. Let us take within the double quotation. I will give some name of the file. Let us take air quality air underscore quality. This is the data set name I have given. Write.csv, right? CSV. I have given some name. Otherwise, does not require CSV also. Just go with air quality. This is the data set name. I'm going to export this air quality into my computer. Okay. Now I run this one. Yeah. So the code is executed, right.csv. Now you can go for your directory. This is my directory, right? For example, let us take refresh it. Here is storing air quality. It is asking where you want to open. Let us check whether I have Excel. No. We'll do one thing. Just a minute. This one again. I will do this one. Write.csv. Again, I'm going to run this one. Yeah, it is export. Now I will open again. Where is that? D drive. Yeah, DP. Here air quality is stored, right? It is our right. Wait. Maybe extension the problem. We'll go with .csv. now I run this. Yes, executed. Again, we'll check that. D drive and FD. Yeah, the problem with this, we forget to give extension for the data set name. Now you can see this air quality data set has been created, and this is a CSV file, comma separate values. You can see the preview here. At the same time, I will go here. So write that CSV. So I will do one thing. On the Excel file, I will write. So okay, write dot Excel. Sorry, XLSX within the brackets or right spelling. Right XLS. So this is a code to export your Excel file. Right XLSX. So this code, if you want to run, I will write that only we have installed this package, right? So does not worry about it. So write down XLS, and then I will go. I will copy the same codes. Copy. Paste. Let us say this time I will give some new name. Let us take air quality QLTY. Okay, this Excel file, no, XLSX. XLSX is something. It is an extension for Excel files. So you know this one. I don't want to teach more. Now I will run this one. Yeah, could not find function right XLSX. This function is showing some error, which means that the function unable to identify the R programming language. So we'll check this one, whether this code is cut or this required any package. As per my knowledge, this right XLSX is a correct code. So we'll check then how we will check. So with the question mark. Right dot XLSX. I'm typing here, but not showing any suggestion for this one. Earlier, you should see, if I type this one, right, we are getting CSV like that. But here, if I type this one, XLSX is not showing, which means that maybe it requires some package. We'll go with that. No method. For example, if I go for double square brackets, no results. Which means that the code function itself is a wrong
Shiva
code.
sir, voice is
For
breaking.
example, let us say right.
Shiva sir, not audible.
Excel. Right. Now we got some L function here. I'm searching here. Write the delimiter is okay. Write the CSV okay. CSV to CSV.
Okay, no problem, sir.
Desktop 6 and
Just hotspot. I didn't get a desktop CM, right?
no 6
What is the password? Hello.
Shiva sir.
Now okay, I have connected with other one. Is it okay now?
Yeah, okay. Yeah, voice is audible, but please give presentation, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. See this one. I'm going with the new installation of the file. Read Excel. Wait. Whether is there right Excel is there or not? Sorry. Actually, the file is right Excel package is not there. That is the problem. Instead of going this one, it is correct only. Right dot XL. Oh. XLSX is correct only. This package is not there. That is the reason. Actually, so instead of changing this code, why we had to go for new codes, write dot Excel dot CSV. So we'll go with the same code only, right? XLSX, the same package. This is an extension for Excel file. Everyone knows this one. So I have taken this one. Just I'm running this one. It is showing error, right? So which means I could not find function. Maybe there is an error with the function or the function requires a package. These two mainly major problems. If you are finding this type of could not find function, which means that the function maybe it is not available, which requires some package, because of that function will works under some package. Otherwise, there may be some error in the code. So here, write XLX for my knowledge is correct only. It's required some package. That package is nothing but write Excel package is required. The package is nothing but here I will install. Instead of choosing here, I will type the codes. Install dot packages within the brackets write Excel. Write Excel. Yeah, fine. And this is the package required to export your Excel file. I will run this one. Yeah, it is yes, install. We'll check it here, install or not. Now write Excel is got. I will write here library with the double quotation. Write Excel is another way. So now I'm typing the comments to load the to read and to install and load the package. Earlier I have shown by clicking these options. I will run this one. Yeah, load it. Now I will go with Excel file. Again showing some error. Write Excel SX. File function. What happened? Write dot Excel is the right. Madam, my screen is not visible.
Yeah, no, sir. No, it is not visible.
Not visible, sir.
Oh, it's not visible, huh?
Yeah, it is visible now, sir. You can carry on, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, we are right. We are exporting now. Okay, which means that you don't know this also. Yeah, I will delete again. So delete. I will erase this one again. See, sir. Here we have worked on. If you want to load the Excel file, Excel SX. Okay, I will erase this one also. Right, XLSX. This one is there. So see this one. If you want to load this pack, if you want to work with this command, so within the flower bracket is showing some text, right? That is write Excel. This is the package. So under this package, this function will work. So if you just see, you have to install this write Excel package. That's why already I have written two codes. One is install.packages write Excel and library. These are the two codes. One is for installation, one is for loading the file into our R console. So these two commands I have written. Now I'm going with write XLSX. What is the file you want to export? That is air quality export. So copy, paste, and what is the name if you want to give? Let us say air underscore some QLTY quality. I will run this one. Yeah, now it is exported. So write underscore XLSX air quality. So earlier it is dot for CSV file and underscore for Excel file. You remember these two. Okay. So write underscore XLSX air quality. So air quality function. So now you can open your directory and you can see this. What is the file you exported? Okay. So FDP. Where is it? Air quality. This is again is coming some text format. I will give extension to this one. What is the output extension is the right air quality dot LX. This
Yeah, Shiva sir, I think voice again network issue, sir. Okay, I'll stop today.
is an extension for the
Shiva sir, for today, I think it's okay. Sir, so voice is not clear, Shiva sir. Shiva sir.
once I will show you. It is opening. Export. ఎందుకు తలనొప్పిస్తుంది sir, audible sir?
Yeah, audible sir.
Sorry sir, I don't know what is going here.
Okay, no problem. If you have any issues, sir, we can wind up for today and tomorrow continue. Otherwise, you can continue today only. Depends
Yeah,
on your
sir.
network.
Wait, sir. I have to convey something to because just I have shown how to import export. Just at least we'll come. We'll finish one
Yeah,
or
okay,
two problem
Paras, no.
conditions.
Okay, okay, sir.
Yeah. See, sir. Uh, one is here. The file is reading. See here. So the file is reading CSV and the file is reading Excel file here. Okay. So both these options will be useful to load your CSV or Excel file into R. Now coming to this export, write and write XLSX. So write.csv is function, simple function, does not require any package. You can export your outputs or any data for to the your CSV file to your computers. Now see here, this is d slash FDP is nothing but it is a working directory. We set the directory where we want to store our CSV file. Now one more thing is that write XLS. If you want to export your Excel file from R to your computer, then we need to use this function write underscore Excel. Okay, this function if you want to use, we need a package. The package is install dot. So the package name is write Excel. This is the package is required mandatory to run this command. Okay, so my suggestion is that you can go with this CSV file. That is better. So we don't want all the packages and all. Okay, fine. So I will stop this export and import the files here, and I will give the final one is a simple for loop and if conditions. Then we'll finish today class because I have scheduled this import export and then uh, condition formats. Okay, first one we'll go with if conditions. For example, let us take I can define some value x equal let us say 10. Okay, so now I will go for if conditions. If for example, if the given value is divided by 2, then I have to print it is an even number. If the given value is not divided by 2, then it is not it is the remainder is not 0, then I have to go with uh, uh, odd number. Otherwise simply we can say that if if the given value is less than some value, I can say that it is a less than, otherwise this is a greater than. Simple for loop condition I will I will write. Okay, no need to go for much burden. Okay, if condition, if you want to use, just go with if. If the condition is, for example, let us say x, what I have given, if x is less than 10, or let us say if x is less than 15, then I can give some statement that is print. What do you want to print? Let us say within the double quotation, give the name. So the given value is less than 15. Else, let us say for example here, else again within the two brackets, lower brackets, print. Again copy this one. It's like a normal programming language, you don't want to worry more on this. Okay, print the given value is not less than or more than 15. Simple print. For example, let us take, now I will run this one, x is 10. Yeah, now I'm executed if condition yes, then else condition yes. The final answer, the given value is less than 15. Why? Because the given value x is 10, so which is less than 50, right? So this statement has been executed. It is a simple way we can use if conditions. If x is less than 15, then we can go for like that. Okay, for example, if you go for example, x is less than 10, let us say less than or equal condition is less than and equal symbol. Okay, x is less than or equal. What is the meaning of this one function? It's less than or equal 10. Then what about this one? We'll go with if the given value is less than or equal to 15. Now I will run this one. If I run this one, yeah, from here I will run. So x is given 10. So if condition, so if f is true, it will display something, otherwise else condition. So final output is the given value is less than or equal to 15. It's a simple way of executing the if condition. I will go for the for loop condition also. This one is some interested one, for loop condition. If you want to use this for loop condition, simple again, go with for. So you can see this change of color. Okay, conditional formats always will have this type of blue colors. Okay, so for here the arguments is, so for loop condition is nothing but a loop, right? Continuously, if you want to repeat your programs, it's continuously, it's going for loop. No, so if you want to give the loop, so we have to give starting to ending point, where we have to start your loop and where we have to end. So for that, let us say some random number. Let us say I will take I. So I in let us say 1 to 100, which means that I want to loop I want to do this operation 100 times. 1 to 100, I want to do 100 times, I have to loop this one. That's why I am giving. So I in 1 to 100. So first starting 1 to 100, I will take first will be 1 and second will be 2. Like that, keep on, it will take 100. Now for here I will give, let us take some value. Let us take print. Let us take I, just as basic command I am giving. If you have any your own commands, you can take here and you can run it. Just I'm going with the without having any conditions, just I'm printing for loop conditions, that I want to show you how the values will be printed. Okay, so for I in 1 to 100, so print condition, I will run this one. Yeah, see here. See what the output, print I. So it will take I equal to 1 first, then it will go inside the command print I. What is I is nothing but 1, no, so it is printed. Next again it will go, next I equals 2, second time print I, second value is printed. Like that, keep on, where value is taken, the corresponding I value will be printed here. So keep on, how many times it is executed? It is executed 100 times. See, 100 values has been printed. If you have Fibonacci series or factorial language, like this. For example, let us take I will give some more little just I will add one or two conditions here for let us say if here I will give some more condition if I the given value is less
Oh, sir, Shiva, sir. It is
than
completely
10,
problems and network issue.
then
Shiva, sir, please stop.
print
Shiva, sir.
print
Yeah, okay, now okay.
okay sir, we'll join tomorrow sir if conditions.
Yeah, okay, no problem. That's why, sir. Yes, sir. Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you.
Okay sir, I hope you understand at least this import and export, no?
Yeah, please, participants, please reply.
Yes, sir.
This I will take tomorrow, ma'am, the if conditions again.
Yeah, okay, sir.
Okay, sir. And I don't know, sir, what is going with our generally our university Wi-Fi is good. Actually, I have been
Yeah,
many
yeah.
talks.
Sometimes
Doesn't
I
never
think
never face
sometimes
any
no.
problem.
I think sometimes not on the climate also these days some full rainy season. That's why I think that is
Maybe
problem.
here some cyclone effect is there.
Yeah, yeah, no problem, no
We have
problem.
given some warning alerts, yellow alert here for our zone. But we never face these type of situations, sir, because it's not a
Yeah.
Zoom meeting also. It is a Google Meet only, right? Zoom it takes a
Yes,
lot
sir.
of data.
Yeah, yeah,
Google
yes,
Meet
sir.
does not require much internet connections. If it is less, that is fine. But that also is not
Yeah.
working means I don't know what is going here.
Okay, no problem, sir. Okay, thank you.
Okay, sir, then fine. If you have
Okay,
any
wait, sir,
doubts
1 minute.
regarding this import
Yeah,
and
any doubts,
export,
please,
and
participants, you can raise.
you can ask. Tomorrow I will start with if else conditions. At anywhere, if you are not understanding also, please let me know. I will explain.
Yeah, we'll wait for 1 or 2 minutes, sir. If anyone have doubts, please raise your hand. Okay, I think no one has raised. Okay, sir. Thank you for today's session, sir. Thank you,
Okay,
participants.
sir.
You will catch up tomorrow. Thank you.
Okay, sir.